Aesop's Fables, selected and adapted by Jack Sipes. Story number 2, The Wolf and the Crane. A wolf devoured his prey so ravenously that a bone got stuck in his throat, and in extreme agony he ran and howled through the forest, beseeching every animal he met to pull out the bone. He even offered a generous reward to anyone who succeeded in pulling it out. Moved by his pleas as well as the prospect of the money, a crane ventured her long neck down the wolf's throat and drew out the bone. She then modestly asked for the promised reward, but the wolf just grinned and bared his teeth. "Ungrateful creature," he replied with seeming indignation. "How dare you ask for any other reward than your life? After all, you are among the very few who can say they've put their head into the jaws of a wolf and were permitted to draw it out safely." It says, expect no reward when you serve the wicked, and be thankful if you escape injury for your pains. Thank you for being here. I still have a couple more seconds. So again, if you feel like you were ever in a situation that kind of dealt like this, or you feel like you're in one now, leave a comment and let's talk about it later.